Want to uncover fast-selling, high-margin items on Walmart? In this video, I will guide you on how to do that. First thing you want to do is spot high-demand items with bestseller badges. For this, you want to open Sellify and search your favorite department. Look for listing marked bestseller and check their price history chart. Next thing you want to do is verify margins and competition. Before you buy, drill into each product's data, estimated sales per day and offer count to gauge demand and seller activity, lowest price trends over the last 90 days to ensure markdowns are temporary, and check verified review spikes. Next thing you want to do is leverage incentive programs and cross-category leads. You want to enroll your products in Walmart's incentive program so you earn full retail even on discounted customer prices. Then use Sellify's Storefront Explorer to find related deals. You want to export your top leads directly from Sellify to Google Sheets. Maintain separate buy list and buy sheets so you and your team can act fast on each opportunity. And that's it. These are some of the data-driven steps to find, verify, and flip fast-selling Walmart products using Sellify. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.